So I have an unboxing today, but first...
Hi, welcome to Taco Bell. I'm gonna take the order.
Hi, can I get a toasted cheddar chalupa with ground beef and chicken quesarito and
I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say one more goddamn time.
chips with nacho cheese, chicken quesadilla, and can I also get a medium Baja Blast with no ice, please? That's finally it. Thank you. You too. Damn, this case feels so nice. Wow. It's so small too. I mean, I've seen it in video, but really holding it is when you get an idea of how small this thing is. And there's a little sleeve back here, which is really nice if you got a SD card holder, I imagine. This is great. And there's a raised rubberized DJI logo in the center. This nice hard cloth case. This is awesome. Wow. So now let's actually test this out. We'll bring it out, we'll put it on a flight and make sure everything works, make sure it's all nice and good, and I'll have my first drone flying experience. Let's do it. Oh, by the way, the real joysticks come in here. So these are just backups actually, which that's awesome.